grace and elegance. Understanding grace of a leopard. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that paints a vivid picture with just a few words: grace of a leopard. This expression is not just about animals. It's a beautiful metaphor that English language learners can master to enrich their vocabulary and comprehension. So, let's explore what makes this phrase so special and how you can use it in your everyday English. The phrase, grace of a leopard, is a metaphor that describes someone or something that moves with effortless elegance and power. Leopards are known for their smooth, quiet, and efficient movements, whether they're strolling through the forest or sprinting to catch their prey. When we say someone has the grace of a leopard, we're comparing their movements or actions to this majestic animal, implying they're performing tasks with a blend of finesse, strength, and beauty. This metaphorical phrase can be used in various contexts. Here are a few examples. In sports, describing an athlete who moves with exceptional agility and skill. The soccer player moved with the grace of a leopard, evading defenders effortlessly. In dance or performance, highlighting a performer's elegant and powerful movements. She danced with the grace of a leopard, captivating everyone's attention. In everyday life, applauding someone's ability to handle situations smoothly. He navigated the complex negotiations with the grace of a leopard. Metaphors like grace of a leopard are crucial in English. They allow speakers to convey complex ideas and emotions succinctly and vividly. Understanding and using metaphors can enhance your language skills, making your communication more engaging and expressive. We hope this exploration of the phrase, grace of a leopard, has added a new dimension to your understanding of English metaphors. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary. It's also about the art of expressing ideas in the most vivid and impactful way possible. So, we encourage you to start incorporating such expressive phrases into your conversations and writings. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the beautiful world of English language learning. See you in the next video.